Thank you so much.
Yeah. Not always easy, but I'm getting better at it.
Hey folks, we're getting sort of your attention for just a few moments. We need to talk about the safety features aboard the 737-800 series aircraft. Look, there's a safety information card located in the seat back pocket in front of you. Nobody ever really reads it, but you might want to one day because it's really kind of better to know, not have to use it versus having to use it and not know what you're doing. But anyway, look at the seatbelt. To properly fasten your seatbelt, it's cladded into the bottom, thoroughly slipped up on the buckle. Seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your hips at all times while seated. We have 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 4 over wing window exits, 2 rear exit doors. Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead you to an exit. In the event of an emergency evacuation, do yourself a favor and follow the flight attendants. We'll be running out the front, the back, the siding, and possible door, hold the aircraft to get out of here. Now we're going to fly over a bunch of water between here and Phoenix, so these really cool life vests are located underneath your seats. Only take them out when told to do so by pulling onto the red strap underneath the seat, which opens the container. Take off the pouch, open the pouch, take out the vest. Place the vest over your head, secure the black strap around your waist. Once outside the aircraft in the water, go ahead and pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest to blow into the tube of your shoulder. Also, there's a really cool light on the left-hand shoulder that starts blinking, helps the sharks find you once it gets wet, so make sure you sprinkle some water on that. Since there's no water, we'll be landing in between here and Phoenix. Our flight attendants are coming by right now to double check to make sure seatbelts are securely fastened, seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright locked position, and all the security items that you could have checked at the curb are now in the overhead bin underneath the seat in front of you, keeping the area around your feet completely clear. Smoking is gross, plus the government says you cannot do it aboard our aircraft. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, destroying a smoke detector aboard this aircraft. Federal aviation regulations also require passenger compliance with all lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions. Got it? Good. And although we never anticipate a change in cabin pressure should one occur, 4 yellow oxygen masks will drop the compartment above your head. To activate, pull down on the mask, fully extending the plastic tubing. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Although the plastic bag may not inflate, you are receiving oxygen. Keep use of oxygen until otherwise instructed by uniformed crew member. If you are traveling with children, somebody needing special assistance, place your mask on first and then secure theirs. Folks, that's it for the do's and don'ts. I invite you to sit back, relax in this quick flight to Phoenix. It's blocked at like 3 hours and 45 minutes. The actual flight time, once the wheels are up, are 3 hours and 10 minutes. Welcome aboard, and we'll be out of here shortly. We break type for departure, we're out of here.